More accessibility, making memories, more possibilities with UGo Mobility.
Here in Hawaii, it's all about the ohana, the family, and we believe that. And so as visitors come or locals need to keep their families together because you know, somebody is in a situation where they're handy-capable and they need access to different trails and beaches, and we've got special vehicles that we've invested a lot of money in that are basically vans that can, you know, hold a family, as well as all of our equipment all fold out ramps so you can access on and off very easily, all electric doors, fully automated. We're excited, yeah. The cool thing with this van is everything is completely automated. All your windows, your doors can all be operated from this panel here. I can open up the side door. This would be the left side door, driver's side door, by simply pressing that button. If I want to open the trunk, simply press that button and it'll open up the back trunk window. And then if I want to bring the ramp out, simply press that button, and there goes the ramp. It even lowers the car down to adjust the height for the ramp. And go up. Very cool. The feature of this car is it has an adjustable foot pedal, so as you adjust your seat accordingly, simply press this button and it'll move the pedal both in or out.
I wish I had that on my car.
And then also the actual brake, sometimes people might have a hard time pushing down on the brake. There's another button here on the side that you just simply push it down and it locks the brake automatically.
Fantastic. Thank you, Rich.
More accessibility, making memories, more possibilities with UGo Mobility.